In today's video, I'll show you how to play as Leon Candy in Metal Gear Solid Delta. Check my video description for this mod link. Scroll down and under Leon Candy mod, select the manual download option and download this mod. Right click on the mod and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Right click on the game and select open file location. Open this MGS Delta folder, content packs. Check my video description for this text. Copy the text. Right click on the blank area in packs folder and select new and select folder. Paste the text we copied and press enter. Open the mods folder and drop all these mod files inside. Now you can launch the game and now you can enjoy the game as Leon Candy. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.